In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up and edit a meeting rotation in Hubspot. Meeting rotations are useful when you want incoming meeting bookings to be shared across multiple people instead of always going to the same person. This helps balance workloads and can speed up response times, especially for sales, support, or any team that takes scheduled calls. To get started, sign in to HubSpot and look to the top navigation for the settings icon. Click that settings icon to open your account settings area. This is where HubSpot keeps the tools that control things like meetings, calendars, and routing. Once you are in settings, find the section for tools. Select Tools and then choose Meetings. Opening Meetings brings you into the area where HubSpot manages booking links and related settings. Take a moment to confirm you are in the meeting settings, because that is where rotations are configured. Next, locate and click the Meeting Rotations tab. This tab is dedicated to creating and managing groups of users who will be assigned meetings based on the rotation logic. Keeping your rotations organized here makes it easier to adjust ownership later when your team changes. Now click Create a Rotation. This is the point where you set up the actual group that will share meetings. As you create the rotation, select your users. Choose the team members who should be included in the rotation. Make sure you only include people who are available to take these meetings and who have their scheduling set up properly, since a rotation works best when each user can actually accept bookings. After you have selected your users, click Save. Saving creates the rotation and stores your selection, so HubSpot can use it when routing meetings. To edit an existing rotation later, you will return to the same Meeting Rotations tab in the Meeting Settings. From there, you can open the rotation, adjust the list of users, and save again to apply your updates. This is helpful when someone joins the team, changes roles, or needs to be removed from the booking pool. That covers everything you need to know.